Good evening, everyone. Let's switch off autopilot for a moment and tune in, not just to the screen, but to something exciting. Today, we are not just here for another lecture, we are here to explore how the buzzing world of artificial intelligence is not just about robots and science fiction anymore. It's out there shaping ads, algorithms, and what pop ups next on your Instagram feed. In this digital jungle, we need a guide. And lucky for us, we have on today Mr. B. Parthasarathi, the mind behind intelligent digital strategies at Emirates National Bank. Dubai. A special shout out to our vibrant Department of IT and our ever energetic ACM student chapter for making this event possible. And to all our students, you are not just participants today, you are the future curators of smart marketing, coded creativity, and AI powered possibilities. Let's plug into the knowledge stream, question the usual, and reimagine the digital tomorrow. Starting now. Welcome, sir.
Hey, thanks for the welcome note. Okay, let me start with what is that digital marketing is having today. Not only the banks, no, everybody is crawling towards what is the marketing they can go forward because you see that in a business, right, there is 30% of the money spent on the marketing. It depends upon the company, right? Sometimes it's like 10, 20, 30 and 50 or 60. Sometimes the people are spending 70% of in the marketing. So the cost is gradually increasing, right? The marketing space. So what they are trying to do is that let's do automations. So why they are diving into automations? Because some of the tier one companies, right, like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, they are coming up with some AI toolings where they are saying that okay, we have reduced so on so the amounts by doing the automation on the AI for the marketing, and they have created a tools where the marketing can be used. There are various type of marketings, right? Today, like digital marketings and non-digital marketings. So we are focusing on digital marketing. Why? Because non-digital marketing nowadays is not essential, and then is very tiring job like giving giving the posters, putting it on the wall, and it's not reachable. But you see, right, most of them today is being using the digital space like mobile, and they are not using nowadays the TVs also, right? Like they are going for OTT internet platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and those things. So since the people's behavior on scrolling is started in mobiles, so the ads also is been pop up over there, and not over there only, right? If you go for banking applications, non-banking applications, like automobile applications, so what they are trying to do is that they want to sell as much of as marketing ads for you, so to tend that you want to buy it. So that's what has been happening today. You might have noted that okay, you are searching for some of the products, right, where it's appearing in YouTube and Facebook because they are collecting the user data. You have given a consent to YouTube and Instagram or whatever social media spaces, right? Like, yeah, use my data. So what they do is that they collect your data, your preferences, with the consent, and then they store it, and then they publish the ads according to you. This is not that okay they are stealing the data. Actually, you are given the consent that okay, take use my data for giving the personalized ad. This is the initial data which has been collected, and they started utilizing with your consent. It's not that you are not given the consent; they are utilizing the data. You can turn off these features by the settings, but no one is going to tell you that you can turn off the feature. Turn off your feature is also is going to not having a good experience in your digital world, right? Is if you are searching for the cars actually particular product, and you have been given the product where some type of utilities or some type of food related activities, right? You will don't like, right? You want to see that okay, I'm searching for cars, and then you want ads related to cars. It's easy for you to buy it, no? So that's what they're trying to do in digital marketing. That's been said. Okay, let's go for the agenda of what we are going to achieve today. Let me share my screen. Let me know you guys able to see my screen. Is anybody able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. We
Okay.
can see yours.
Okay. So here you go for what we are going to talk about today's activity. Let it load. Okay, the background, right? What we are trying to achieve today is that digital marketing as a content, how we are going to evolve, and then opportunities that keep customer engaged. That's the motive of digital marketing, right? Like you want to engage your customers, so that there may be some books available where in the digital marketing to cover the customers 100 percentage. Like they want to push some product in digital and collect all the 100 percentage customers towards their products, which is not possible, very tough, right? But some companies are there where they try to pull you in this digital marketing world, right? Like say for example Coke or Toyota. These are the special companies where they want to do the digital marketing in a way that okay, they pull most of the customers, right, towards the competitors. But a few companies are doing it where they are not able to achieve it. They are also learning in the progress, right? But currently they have achieved that okay, to pull all the customers into their bucket and sell the products, which happens for every year. Sometimes they are in the peak, sometimes they are not in the peak. You may see that okay, the footballers who is marketing for the Adidas or Nike, this type of marketing also will be in the digital format, which is keep on appearing on your mobiles. So these are one of the few examples where they keep the customer engaged. They want to buy this product and they want to show that one digital products. What we are going to vision today is that how the AI is playing in a digital market, what is the KPI objectives, action plans, and we'll have a questions in the later phase. Going forward, okay, this is what we are talking about for a while, like la past 5 minutes. We'll go through the what is digital marketing, what is booming, how the channels and strategies has been applied, latest trends, and you know that okay, in the digital marketing, right? There are few people have been appointed in all the companies for this digital marketing, which has been paid high actually. This job is not small amount of pay they do it because they want to do it in a full scale for the product in the in the organization. So they will be having a lot of angles of projecting that one in the marketing space. So the career opportunities are huge. With the salary is huge for the digital marketing, right? And why they are giving high? Because they used to do the search engine optimization for the products and the companies. There are various tools are available. Similarly, they want to do it in social management, social media and management, where they will do the video shooting, photographies with the professional the levels, and project that one as part of email marketing, social media marketing, and content creation and design tools. So these are few actually, but the main background of this opportunity is that they collect the data from the customers. The analytics, they use the analytics and see the customer is what he is interested on. So we are also developing some of the products related to banking customers. But I see that this has been well used by tier one companies like Google and Amazon. Like what products you are interested in, they want to push that one to your bucket and see that you are buying it. If you are not buying it, no, they will suggest different products. So there is a rule engine in digital marketing where they'll capture all your data, what are your likes, non-likes, and those things, and they will push this ads. And sometimes you have seen the website, right? Like Netflix, when you go for a Netflix as an subscriptions, they ask what are the movies you like it, like English, Tamil, or Telugu, whatever it is. Then the next question will be, are you liking the action movies, or what type of movies you want? The next is what are the timing you want to watch these movies. These are the some of the customer they collecting the data with your consent, that yeah, you like these things, so they'll put as an user profile, you like this one, they suggest these movies accordingly to watch. They don't want to watch you the random movies, right? And when you click on the first movie, they know that okay, even though you selected all these three questions which you like it, but you are going and watching the other movie, then they come to know that okay, your preference is this, the three questions which has been answered plus the movie which is not answered. So they add this as a fourth question, that yeah, this like the user is liking the fourth type of option also, they suggest all four type of movies for you. So this may happen in your real world scenarios. You might have seen, yeah, this is good, right? It's not good when you don't like a movie, they are suggesting it, correct? So these are the one of the marketing techniques, and we'll have a Q&A later. So let's go for the what are types of digital marketing, what they are using for. Definitely, digital marketing is promoting their product, services, brands, right? This is very important. Branding of the products as a service also. Nowadays, that previously service wasn't just a service. Now the brands of the services has come up, that they are branding with the services. These are true online channels because it says digital. Digital can be only online, and you know that a traditional way of advertising is TV, radio, and print. This is these three things. What I'm saying that this is no more exist. No, if at all you are advertising in TV, radio, and print, nobody is going to. It's a very low marketing techniques today in 2025. Nobody is liking TV, radio, and print. Means even though you suggest, you defend me that okay, these are the things still using it, I will say over the period of time, this is actually going out, right? So the digital is that the social media, search engines, and emails and websites. Uh, yeah, these are some powerful thing is that social media search engines are the most priority ones. Emails and websites, I don't think they are able to get the customers because in a day, right? You are not checking all the mails in the personal mails, and Google has an analytics that this is coming as an ad. Put it in the ad bucket. Do not disturb your personalized Gmails. Like they have a folder type of activity where any ads come that goes to the junk or outbox, so they filter it and put it. So not much of the guys will click on the emails for the products and searching. This is like very light. The incoming traffic to the product is from the emails is very less. Yeah, definitely the websites. You have seen in the websites, right? Like the banners. I'll show one or two websites where the banners has been used, like Amazon or I don't see in Apple they are publishing because Apple has generally the personal brand products, so they don't want to advertise any other products. But if you go to Flipkart or Amazon, they are external size vendors. They want to display their products. When they're displaying the products, they heavily charge the customers that to whenever banners comes in the picture or the site, they charge heavily. Search engines generally, yes. You are going to search for the products in a Google. They suggest like okay, these are the products. They also charge heavy for products to come in the ratings. Social media is that one, you know that okay, in Instagram, Facebook, and those things, digital ads, which has been used. Even for Facebook and Instagram, you need to advertise, right? They charge, right? And they charge by hourly, daily, and monthly. So you have a preference that what the charges you want to give a ad. There are peak hours ad and non-peak hours ad, and organic ad and non-organic ads. Okay, I'll tell you what are those while we're discussing about the traditional and the digital way of ads, right? Why business are going digital? It definitely, I'm saying, right, previously the ads in the TV, radio, and print, your company has to give a guy that please advertise in TV, radio, and print. He will take at least 1 or 2 weeks to advertise in these three channels, right? And then he will, yeah, you are wasting your money of 2 weeks of the labor cost, where he has to create the same photography, video, audio, and then the images, everything, right, is been hand printed, and advertisements has been given like that. The TV, radio, and print is not easy in those days, where the cost is too much of the cost is being spent on TV, radio. You have here that a 5 second video in particular television channels, right? It goes into crores. And when the cricket is happening, or the badminton or tennis, those sports is happening, they will increase the cost also. The 5 second ad is cost like 5 crores. If it has international channels, definitely they will charge more. So why? Because this depends upon the events also. They charge hefty. So you can't put an ad where your products, you can't spend 5 crores where your revenue is not coming by 5 crores. Small product based companies cannot give any ads on the TVs. So what they are doing it now, they are going for digital ads, where these social media ads is not charging like TVs, but customers are more effective. Plus, your cost is also less. So that's what they're saying, cost effective. And doing these ads right is not required of human efforts. You need to have only one marketing team of five, or a leader and a team where they can do the marketing in whole world, right? Is this TV is particular to one channel, no? Now the Instagram and those Facebook, right? You can publish it for the whole world. So this is more cost effective, and reachable is more, or and you can get more of the products as a sales. Yeah, what I was speaking about cost effective in global reach is global reach. Previously, it was not global reach. Radio can only be given in certain kilometers. TV is also the same, and print is like for only for locality. Like wherever you're printing and posting, there only the people can see. The real-time feedback and data, yeah, the comments and likes, you can get it from digital marketing, where you can see that okay, people are start liking it, putting an active comment, positive comments. They take that data and analyze it and see where the product is heading towards. Say for example, your creator launched a new product and they are testing it. They are giving a positive feedback, negative feedback. If at all is more of an active, you have to see your brands and the products where yeah, you have to have improvements because the audience is reaching out to you directly as a feedback. There are targeted campaigns, which I said that in social media, right? If you see that you have a product of oil, like hair oil, you created a product, you want to sell it in the social media, and you are in somewhere in Chennai. Okay, what happens is that you want to sell the product to the Chennai, and Chennai, the circle radius is like nearly around 50 to 60 kilometers. So you can have a targeted campaigns. I want to sell my oil products only to in Chennai, right? You just have a dot, and Facebook will give 100 kilometers of radius, and based on your 100 kilometers of radius, you will pay accordingly. And if you reduce the kilometers to 50 from your product location, they charge less. If you want to reach out to more than 200 kilometers, they'll charge more. So that is the targeted campaigns, where you can target not only to the location wise, you can also target that okay, my product can be oil product can be used only from the age of 12 to 60. You can also filter that one and send out a campaigns in social media, right? Even for search engines, what it will do is that the social media has been used by less than 12 years, more than 60 years, they will not see these ads. Only the guys between 12 to 60 will be used. That's the targeted campaigns, where is more effective than you randomly send the product details, because very important that whom you are selling the products, what age group you are selling the products, and from where you are selling the products, because you are operating your product from product brands from Chennai. If you put it for like more than 100 kilometers, your product selling techniques, like you need to deliver the products, right? That will be costing. So it will not be cost effective, because you want to sell the product more than a kilometer, more than 100 kilometers is like too costly, right? More than what you will be selling nearby your location, because 50 kilometers, yes, you can deliver from your bike taxis or something, where you can sell it for around the same localities. But if it is more than 100 kilometers, bike taxis will not operate. So then what is happens is that your personal brands, right? You have to create multiple branches of the brands, right? Like If Chennai is there, then you have to keep it in Villapuram, then you have to keep in Pondicherry to circulate those traffics, your product traffics. So branch products has to be created. Then you have to have more cost, more of that products has to be shipped. These will happen only when your products is growing gradually, or the products promotion is like, yeah, my products is marketing has been increased and people are asking from different locations. Yeah, then you need to think about branch target campaigns where it will be utilized and useful, where people start buying it and you also will be having a revenue, right? So I'm just moving ahead. Digital marketing channels and overviews. Yeah. So this one we are also gradually talk about in previous minutes. This is very important, search engine marketing or SEO. When you are joining a company or you want to learn it, this is what is marketing guys do. Most of them is paid ads, where Google, if you apply for your marketing products, Google asks for $10,000 to make your products into stop, because it depends on the products also. Say for example, what we are speaking about is oil hair products, right? For oil hair products, there is you have to analyze your marketing competitors, like who are my competitors, right? Then you see that okay, at least 10 of them will be there, and when you search for the hair oil products, they already paid actually for this one in the Google ads, or Google search engine tactics. Optimization is nothing but your links should come in the top. So those are the techniques. Either you buy it or you get a customers who is clicking your products, it can come up also. Those paid ads is nothing but you're going to pay for Google and to come the ads in the top. Organic ranking, what I'm saying is that you use your SEO basic techniques where your product is liked by the millions of people, they are clicking it, they're buying it. So this goes in organic rankings. Even paid ads cannot compete with organic. Why? Because your products has been clicked daily by 10 100 people, and then even organic paid ads cannot compete with organic ads, right? Still, if you have more money, yes, you can overtake organic ads, but that doesn't mean that okay, you keep on paying for organic ranking ads, which is coming without money, right? So there are companies where they are paying heavy. Even Google is paying to Apple to make Google search engine in their browsers. So these are some of techniques where paid ads come to the picture, or paid products. So Apple is willing to take the money and keep Google as a search engine in their browsers, Safari. So for that, they are Google are paying. These are the news you might have heard it, but actually that's happening every year. There's a subscription where they have to give it to Apple, such that they will keep as a Google as search engine. So okay, the social media marketing, you guys have known these we are talking about: Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. uh, and their marketing is happening to business to customers. That is like, yeah, Amazon. A business is running to customers, where customers buying from business to business approaches. Yes, like say for example, Google Home, or some of the Google TV are selling in Amazon, right? Those are B2B approaches. And sometimes, right, some electric bikes company do not have their online presence or digital marketing. They are selling in Flipkart. That is nothing but business is selling to business, so that they will sell it for you and give it the money to you. So these two approaches are very common. But most of the customers are in B2C. B2B is like company to company. And you have seen that in YouTube and Instagram, that role of influencers nowadays is more popular. If you have having more than 100K customers, 100K followers, right? So what they do is that, one minute. What they do is that they influence the product, and then they give most of the ratings by saying saying the word of mouth, right? And then people believe that okay, these are the followers which I am doing it. Yeah, that is good. I know that okay, the influencer are telling good for me, and you guys are going and buying for that. So those are the influencers. What they're trying to brainwash or trying to make you that to buy the product. So role of influencers is more nowadays, where sometimes people to people it differs, where people say that okay, like the product is good, but it depends upon the man who is advertising, right? His in his view, the product is good, but when for you, it should be better, no, or it should be more better. So sometimes influence says a product is good. You say, yeah, his product is good because I also tried it. But influence says product is good. But you say, no, the product is very bad. What is influencers say is not matching with me. My standards are much higher than what is influencing. Then you come to know, okay, the influencers is like fooling you. So these things are happening because it is like previously, like TV has some of the TVs has the subscribers, where you add, then those many subscribers will see. Now influencers has been getting subscribers, where they publish some video, you just go and buy the products for them. This is also coming into play. Content marketing, yes, I said blogs is digital content written by the people. Then you go and see the blogs, you read it, the content, then buy the Amazon link over there, and then buy the products. Videos, yes, there's ads is going on from TV. Now it's coming to the digital marketing space. Infographics is nothing but you will be having not only informatic graphical things, like it comes in the email, right? Like an image and then content. So these infographics also is coming as a content marketing. Importance of storytelling, because by blogs and videos and infographics you can't get the customers. You have to definitely tell the story that what this product stands out, right? Generally they will have to tell that okay, my product has this capability, or these are the ingredients which can be done. You have to tell in the story, right? Like okay, like these are the things can be used. There is no negativity in the product, which they will tell as a story. Then you will be able to buy that one. So this is an important piece of content marketing. Uh, let's go for the overview, right? Which I was telling, the email marketing, right? Which previously was newsletters and promotions. Nowadays is personalization and automations, right? There are few tools which has been doing the email marketing, like N8N. Those is a new tool where it can integrate into multiple email marketings. You can create, you can just push some words, like you tell your story that okay, this is my product doing, this is what I'm going to content market to these are the channels. The AI will search for you all the images and the content. It will merge into HTML content and send to for email marketing. That is nothing but you have to configure your emails from to who are the customers. It will automate and send the emails to those groups. Even we are doing it the same email marketing nowadays, from the bank for say for Diwali, or Eid Mubarak or something, right? So these are the festivals which we need to send to customers email marketing for promotion of our products like cards and credit cards. Similarly, we will be doing for our products like, yeah, this there's a discounted rate for this Eid and then Diwali. They have to send the email marketing. They send these ads to the emails to the uh, personalized customers, because they will not send it for all the customers. Say for example, you have selected some personalization, like I like mobiles with this product, this company. Then what they do is that okay, they'll collect all the customers from the analytics, and they'll send the email marketing towards to that automation instead of sending to all the random guys, because they are not going to buy it, no. Only the guy who is interested on his mobiles, they will buy it. In that also we are saying that okay, the email marketing is effective only for 10 to 20 percentage. Remaining 80 percentage are not seeing emails as an ads. right? Whoever see that one, they will able to purchase. That 10 to 20% who is seeing the emails also, converting them to product purchases is very less, like 5 to 10 percentage. They will click the link and they'll buy the products, so it's very less from email marketing. Affiliate and influence marketings, yes, they do. Partnering with bloggers and YouTubers, you see that okay, YouTubers is selling that okay, this product is fantastic, and I bought it, I used it, and then it is a long lasting for a year. It is not having any issues. Then automatically, what you guys do is that they will give a link in the video. You will click and you will buy it. So the affiliate and influence marketing percentage is more. Generally, it reaches to more than 80 percentage. Conversion rate will be 40 percentage, where people buy the products. So the paid ads and the LinkedIn ads, these are is like you can see the ads, but I don't think this like more of the percentage wise is converting into products. But still, branded companies used to put ads on them. So what are ads, right? Like is not that much than the bloggers and YouTubers are getting the money, but it's like $5 to $10 per hour ads. Depends upon the location and then coverages. So they are not like more of hefty money you are spending over there. The basic targeting and bidding is also possible. Like you are targeting to the few audience and bidding to the other ads. With Google, they have a provisioning of bidding also, where you can target to the customers. It not happen very frequently. The bidding can happen once in the burst type of activity, like you want to show it to all the customers in the world. Then the burst type of paid ads will be happening. So targeting to the customers is a basic thing in bidding. So these are the paid ads. Okay, these are the latest trends in digital marketing. Whoever is doing the digital marketing, they want to do all of them. So when they want to do the digital marketing for your products or in the company, they started with chatbots, personalized, and content generations. This is very important because nowadays, like the target is that in digital marketing, they cut shorting the guys. Like previously, the marketing team of 25 has been cut into 5, so they reduced drastically. Even though it's happening in not only for branded companies, it's happening in Microsoft, Google, Amazon, everywhere, that cutting short of the marketing team. Because AI is in marketing now, it does the work of 20 people into 5. So only they want to authorize the content and review the content. Previously, like 25 guys were doing the content, and they will have a peer review, then the manager review, then publish the content. No, nowadays is not going to happen like that. Why? Because AI is generating the content, and if you ask AI to review the content, it will review the content and it will ask for your authorization. Now only the authorization, who is doing the authorization, he is there in the company. The remaining who is doing the ground level of informations, those guys are chunked. Like it has been taken care by AI itself, because because all the data and the content has been trained in AI, and the personalized models are available in chatbots, where for marketing itself, you feed the content of your organization, it will understand the content and it will generate the content according to your organizations. And not only that, you know that the Figma and then the layouts, like what colors has been used in your office or products, that will be inputted in AI models, and the content will be generated according to those coloring code standards. So those also is being taken care by AI. So whenever you are doing the digital marketing, the chatbots plays an important role nowadays. You ask for a query or questions, and then there is a RAG models, retrieval argument generation. The models, what they do is that they'll store at least 100 of questions how you're asking. Then it will compare the new questions with the old one. Then all together it will be sent to the AI models. The model will be intelligently see that okay, what you're asking for, and it will give back the results accordingly. So these also, like personalization plays into very important, because what type of data you are feeding and what is output you require, the content will be generated accordingly. right? We have a success rate of 40 percentage in AI chatbots today, but we are trying to improve towards to 90 to 100 percentage. So AI plays in the marketing is very very good. um, Previously you guys have used Canva or some of the softwares where it's been built in AI, AI tooling. Now ChatGPT comes with their own model where you can generate the images. Even Gemini has released like 2 months back image models where you can create your images, videos, and content generations, where they can stitch these images, videos, and content together, and then they can send it for the marketing. So those are the full-fledged used models. You can choose your models from Gemini for image, and then content for ChatGPT and Microsoft for marketing. Yeah, it's possible. It depends upon your product, how you are using it. But the ultimate goal is that what is the latest trends is going towards the digital marketing. What are people are thinking towards how to market from AI. Okay, the short video form dominance is always the key, which I see. The most of the marketing, I said, no, 80% of marketing coming from short form of videos, where influencers is what they are doing is that they are having a video that advertising that, oh, this product is good, and I used it and this works well. I eat this food, it's fantastic taste. I never seen this one before. These are the short form of videos. TikTok, Instagram, the reels is coming up, right? So what you are tend to do is that, oh, I'll go and try this one, I'll go and buy this product. No, it's a human mind has been pushed up that the short form of video dominance is happening nowadays, which is good for the company and for audience also, because you are able to see that what you are liking and what you want to buy. You are able to experiment that one, right? So that is the dominance is happening nowadays. Voices, smart devices, yeah, those data, your voice into text to voice. These models, what they are doing is that they are understanding your voice to text and then store your personalizations, what you're asking for. Nowadays all the homes is having the smart devices like the Google or Amazon Echo Bots. So what they are doing is that you can ask them, what can you switch off lights, or can you turn on the curtains, or can you cook for me some of the items. Those are the smart devices are doing into dominance. mm, is not doing anything on the marketing, but yeah, whatever your likes and not likes, the comments, everything has been listened from voice to text and stored into your personalizations. Later it will show in your TikTok, Instagram reels, or whatever it is. Because this personalization is not only if you use Google products, it will show in YouTube's. If you use EchoBot, it will show in Amazon. So those guys, what I do is that they take it to their own personalizations. The data, they will not interchange itself because there's a competition, right? Data competition is happening. But definitely the smart device what you are using, that will be used for your products. Means that their own products, they show that one to the customers. So data regulation and privacy regulations, right? This is a very important part of digital marketing. The impact of GDPR. These are the regulatory bodies, cookies, user contents. Every country has their own privacy and regulations. This is very important because all these things. What I was telling is that non-secure way of doing it. But when the sites is collecting your cookie or user contents, they have to ask for it, like, we are going to collect your data, do you agree? So they have a marketing campaign, like digital marketing will push some of the content. You say, yeah, take my data and then use it for my digital marketing. Then they'll utilize that one for your user consent, and then they take your data and store it for the personalizations. Some countries put more of the restrictions, that don't use it from less than 12 years old kids user content. So GDPR comes into picture, where the UK has very strict regulations that you should not show anything on the TikTok, Instagrams more than the products and the food. What they should not take it, and that's why it's been instructed to have kids to not have their The parents' mobiles, it should be always that kids should have their own mobiles, like configured to the age groups, so that the content which is showing in YouTube and these social media channels is restricted. If you gives the parent mobile, then you will be configured according to your age group and those things, which is harmful for the kids. So GDPR comes in the picture that okay, you should not you should always get a consent always whenever you are logging in to YouTube's. So user contents always consent is always obtained, and based on that, the digital marketing will be popped up. Okay, so there are omni-channel experience, seamless customer experience across platforms like the mobile, TV, and then tablets. These are omni-channels. Customer experience across the platforms is possible now because those days the content will be the only generated for mobile. Nowadays, is like experiences like you can have any type of devices. They can showcase your content. Okay, some of the real world examples which I was telling also, like Coca-Cola personalized campaigns, Nike social media brandings, local business using Google Maps reviews. Yeah, this one is very good. That okay, say for example, you are in the car and you are asking for show me some hotels where I can go and eat. If you are not publishing in the Google Maps, right, and the no reviews are there, what they do is that while going in the car, they click on the restaurant, they see how much the star ratings are there, what are the user comments is there. If the user comments is good and star is good, they'll stop to your local businesses, and then they eat and go. Even for say for example, show me the shop where I can change my mobile or change my cover. Your local business shop, you are registered in the Google Maps. It's easy for them. Search, it's there. Then the rating, comments, everything they'll see, and then they go for that business. So very fruitful because nowadays, right, every search is happening on the marketing in Google Maps, because once you see the product you want to see where is it, right? So Google Maps comes into pictures and you see the reviews, then you go and buy it. So this is more effective in the real world. Startup leveraging influencer marketing, yes, definitely. So say for example, I am thinking an idea tonight, and tomorrow morning I'm starting up my business. Okay, it's a small one where I want to sell it to five guys. Okay, I'm preparing some food and then okay, I pack it and send it. These are the startups, right? So what you want to do is that you don't need to do much. Just open up your Instagram, YouTube accounts. You do your own influencing. Like, my food is good. I tasted well. It is good for having in the morning. All these things you say in the influencer marketing and sell it. Startup leveraging of the influencer marketing is boom. Like every startups nowadays is having personalized branding with the products and they sell it. So these are the real world examples where the marketing is being utilized very well. Okay, so I have purposely kept this one for the students. Career objectives, opportunities in the digital marketing. These are popular roles. SEO specialist, social media manager, content creator, digital analyst. These are not going to go away anytime, right? Because these are the techniques which to be fine tuned every level. Like say for example, you put up the ad today, you will fine tune after a month. So these are popular roles. You can say you see it in the LinkedIn also. Skills in demand is that analytic mindset. Say for example, I was telling that okay, the user consented data. How do you make the analytics? Like definitely, and product has been built for the analytical mindset, like targeting the customers. You're not going to sell the product for baby, right? And then you're not going to sell the product for adults. You're going to sell the products for the baby, only baby products, and that will be like 0 to 4 or 0 to 3 or 2. But analytic mindset is very important, that whom you are selling the products. So it's like more than 12, more than 10, and then towards what. So you have to filter out, you have to first collect the data, no, for analytical mindset. So that's what a concern come into picture. People use that data, like say for example, I am X age and I am working on this, I like this. So every data has been collected from me. Tomorrow the ads will be presented. So you should be doing the analytical mindset. There are courses in analytics, there are even studies in analytics. um, uh, if these skills are very much important for these all roles, even you are going for attending any of the interviews, definitely analytical mindset is very important. And then there'll be definitely marketing has creative and copywriting techniques where you need to showcase in your showcase in your engineering skills, data interpretations, how to use AI and automation tools and knowledge. Because nowadays the role which they are recruiting, definitely they need these things, all four of them. Like you should know how to use the AI and automation tools, data entry, copywriting, and analytical mindset. Okay, and some of the certification like Google Ads, HubSpot, and Meta Blueprint, these are being given free. And then if you go for higher levels, they charge, but basic levels are very much important for getting into these jobs. And basic levels are enough for getting into jobs because their understanding is more important than certifications. Okay, how students can start now? I don't know whether I can present this screen because I have been told to do the digital marketing. If at all you are going to start your career on career from students to digital marketer, you definitely need to have a LinkedIn profile, experience with the personal blogs, bloggers, and Instagram pages where you need to blog it and see that okay, the marketing, how the reaches and those things. Learn free tools like Canva, Google Analytics. Some of the tools are a lot actually, but go for it, which is topmost tools. And then explore internship or freelance projects or build your own company, do the influencing and check it out how the marketing skills you have. Those are very important for the career to start with. Okay, I'll go for the questions, but then digital marketing is not just for the marketers, that's for sure. Why? Because you never seen who is getting the marketer. Even the kids can do the marketing. You have seen in influencers. It's not only for the marketers who has done with the degrees. You have also seen some babas also doing the digital marketing nowadays. So they are not having any proper degrees or something. It depends upon who, what products you are marketing. It doesn't mix with the skills. It's out of box thinkings, and then how you are going to achieve that products into your marketing products. Generally, whenever you are having out of box concepts, ideas, the pictures uh, of the products, you will sell more. So the people should like, or the customers should like your products. That's what is happening everywhere. Yeah, whatever products you bought today in your table or with you, you have at least analyzed that this is the product is best for me, and that's what I you have bought this one, right? So that marketing is being done by some of the product based companies which they pull you to buy the products. So that's what it is about. It may be the big products or small products, doesn't matter, but you are tend to buy that products. It's for anyone who wants to build a visibility, credibility, and success in today's world. That's what they are telling. uh, so you guys can reach out to me for any of the marketing techniques, how to be done, and how it's been done in the banking sectors, non-banking sectors. A few things I want to show it. Let me see that if I can go for it. Okay, so you guys able to see this Amazon page?
Yes.
Yeah. So you see
Yes,
that
sir.
these are the marketings, right? This is known as a banner marketing, right? Like they say 40% off, 10% off on a coupon on these home products, right? And whoever want to do buy the home products, you'll definitely go and click on this and buy that one, right? And it's not only one product. They are going to give the beauty product of the week. These are the products. It is not one product. There's club of products somebody's telling, and there is a prime day coming for 25, 31st July. They're advertising in the headers. And you may know that okay, when you're clicking on your Amazon, right, you will not see the same products because I am logged in actually over here, and then they are want to sell the products which I want it personalized one. I have clicked at something where I bought the products. I'm having something in my cart. Based on that, they will show the header for me. It's not that okay, random products. I definitely buy the groceries from Amazon Fresh. You just click the products, then it will automatically come to your home. These are the two products. I always go to Lulu to buy the products for the groceries. So that's why they are showing it. Okay, are you going to buy the essential grocery products? Definitely, I'm going to buy every week. They're just suggesting that go and buy it. So these are the ads which I was talking about. This is not only coming for you, it's coming for each personalized guy. Okay, plus they are also selling the credit cards. Okay, these are my leftover items which I was searching for my kid, and these was I was bought it previously, where I want to buy it again. It's all there actually. Bank offers, you have these cards, you can click on it, and whatever offers is there, you can go and buy it. So this screen is for me, it's not for all, right? I will say that okay, once you log in, these pages are built for me, not for everyone. So whatever products I searched it, they are showing it for me. If they are not collecting my data, they are not able to show these products for me. But since they collected my data, they are showing personalized screen for me. So this is what is happening today's world. I don't want to go. If I left out these items, I didn't bought it, I will go and click it and buy it. I want to buy it again, these products which is essential for me every month. Yeah, I'll go and buy it. Similar products, past purchases, these are the purchase product which I bought it, I'm going to buy it again. So these are the things which I'm saying is a digital marketing. I'll want to show the Google also. Say for example, I'm going to pencil. Okay, so it's just about pencil drawing, right? Yeah, I want to do the pencil drawing, but I'm going for shopping. So these are the shopping experiences where they are selling this one for drawing pencil for 49, and they given the ratings for 7 guys. I'm not interested because only the review is given by 7 guys, and I want to buy it from Amazon. Then you say, okay, pencil drawing, pencils available in Amazon. They'll show the link. Anything, right? Like, yeah, these are the Amazon Avzera, which is available for 209. I just choose it for me. I don't want to go to Amazon itself because Amazon has a very poor search engines, but definitely you will get the search engines, and Google is very good, right? And similarly, you guys are going for buying the mobiles, and you are going to buy the mobile in Amazon only, no? Or you want to buy the mobiles available. I want to buy the mobile, right? So go and buy the mobile. The search engine will be giving a lot of options. Okay, so these are items which I can buy near to my areas. This now it's not suggesting from Amazon only; it's suggesting from Reliance, MI, Flipkart, everywhere. Even the local sellers also they are telling. Now you can compare the products, right? And then you can buy it. This is particularly built for shopping experience. And then nearby, you turn on your locations, then it will be saying that something is there nearby. You click on it. 13 kilometers, I can go and buy it, this product. Where is available? Every details has been given over here. Yeah, this is the guy who is selling it for me. Yeah, and then you just purchase from here. They can deliver to your locations. These are one of the items which I'm saying that okay, this has been built in the Google Maps and Google. Yeah, it says particularly nearby 13 kilometers is nothing, but I'm more into to buy it today itself. I take my bike, go 13 kilometers and buy it. This is particularly I have searched for a mobile nearby, right? And then it will be showing for at least 3 4 days until I change my mindset. So coming to the conclusions, anybody is having any questions, we can grasp it. I'm available in LinkedIn. You guys can catch me up, and then we can talk about these topics. I want to give some experience that we are also building some of the AI techniques in Bex. We are also frustrated with sending the marketing campaign. We are spending a lot of money on the marketing campaigns. So we have been tasked to do that marketing work. Initially, it will start with software engineers, that what models and everything will choose. Um, I think it's the DALI where has been introduced. So always go for DALI. It's more expensive, but then it's good for, it's not that expensive that you guys will be like paying for one guy for a month, because it charges only $25 for you. You can generate an image of a futuristic city or something. It gives me some tokens for me to generate, because I not utilized my tokens this month. It will take more time if you put, I'm saying just a one word thing. There is a one shot, two shot, three shot type of questions, where one shot is that you give only one futuristic city. You more detail, two shot, three shot, you just give more details, then you start generating the images. I don't know whether it's generating images. Okay, it's generating over here. I think the WhatsApp is also doing the same. Llama, and then Grok is also a new thing from Twitter X. They are also generating the images. Gemini AI is a free tool now. It's experimental. For a month, they are given the free. Um so you can explore the images. Images are very important for content marketing. Without images, people are not going only reading the text, right? And definitely videos, right? Today's AI generated videos are not generating more than 30 seconds, but yes, 15 seconds videos has been generated well. You can explore that one. 10-second ads, yes, you can give it in digital marketing to promote your products. But yes, before you promote your products, you need to upload some few images on the products, and then whom you want to advertise, and you have to give the wordings accordingly. Then the advertisement comes into picture. So try it out in DALI, the image generator chat GPT. This doesn't look good like how we are taking the photo, right? But you can improve your images where uh, it doesn't look like, okay, you're taking some pictures. It's being like drawing or something, right? This doesn't look good. So like not a photography type of thing. So you just enhance your images. You put more of the questions, then only it will generate the images according to you. And plus, I need to train my organization images, and then I need to generate the images. That makes very liveliness easy for you to use it. Okay, that's the thing in the digital marketing. Definitely, if you want to start your digital marketing or product or something, you can go for Instagram and Facebook. They charge for few amount, but sometimes the $100 token will be given in a Google for utilizing your ads. You can utilize that first time customers, but generally Instagram is a tool, or TikTok is a tool where your promotion goes higher today as of 2025. It can change according to social media, because in social media also, not all customers are in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, because some guys like Instagram rather than YouTube. Some customers on YouTube which they are not in Instagram. So you need to see that, okay, you spend money according to the marketing campaign, like the money spent on YouTube versus money spent on Instagram. You have to have both calculated such that you can grasp the customers. That's the idea. That's what we do, and the social marketing managers will think about this one. 10% on YouTube, 40 on Instagram. Then email marketing 10%. They separate their marketing techniques, and they collect the analytics and send to them. Right? We know that who is using YouTube, and we'll send only the ads to the YouTube customers. And we know that who is using Instagram well, we'll send to those customers the ads. So that's a customized, personalized branding. Plus, your personalized branding items can be sent to the filtered customers. With that, any questions? I want to close this call. Over to you guys.
Yeah. Students, anybody have a questions? Okay. Jay David, can you conclude the session?
Yes, sir. Good, good evening to all. It is my privilege and a pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for today's insightful guest lecture on artificial intelligence in digital marketing, organized by the Department of Information Technology in association with the ACM student chapter. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Speaker Mr. B. Pathasarathi, Senior Architect at Emirates National Bank, Dubai. Thank you, sir, for sharing your time, expertise, and valuable insights on how AI is transforming the landscape of digital marketing. Your session was truly informative and thought provoking. I sincerely thank our Chief Patron, Dr. L. Ganesan, sir, Principal, and our Patron, Dr. S. Rajakaranagan, sir, Vice Principal, for their constant support and encouragement in organizing such academic events. A special thanks to our convener, Dr. V. Anushya, ma'am, Head of the Department of IT, for her guidance and efforts in making this event successful. I also this event to thank I also take this opportunity to thank our faculty coordinator, Dr. K. Palraj sir and Mrs. Alaglakshmi ma'am for their coordination and continuous support throughout. To my student coordinator, Ms. Aarti S. and the entire student team, thank you for your dedicated efforts and behind the scenes. Last but not least, a big thank you to all participants for your enthusiastic presence and attention. Your engagement made this session more meaningful. Let us carry forward the knowledge we gained today and look forward to more such enlightening sessions. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhaskar.
Okay.